How to edit a video on Instagram after posting. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to edit a video on Instagram after posting. First, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. To show you how to edit, I will post a picture or video on my profile. After posting, find and open the video post you want to edit. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Here, you will find the edit option. Tap on it to edit the caption, location, or tags of the post. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.